Hello everyone, my name is Mike Serwinski, co-founder of Reciprio.com, the best way to like and find pages on the web. And today I'll be explaining how to add the new cover photo to your company Facebook page. We recently launched Reciprio.com and thought being a Facebook page directory, it's only fitting to have a Facebook page for Reciprio. We also thought that this would be a great opportunity to show people how to set up their Facebook page using the new timeline structure from start to finish. This video will take you through Facebook's cover photo guidelines along with demonstrating the step-by-step on how to add the cover photo to your page. So recently, Facebook has been working on converting all Facebook pages into what is known as timeline in an effort to create a more visually appealing experience for Facebook users. And one way in doing so is giving people the ability to add what is called a cover photo. And what a cover photo is a billboard type image for your Facebook page. And since it's the first thing visitors will see when they come to your Facebook page, we want to make sure it's professional, eye-catching, and it goes along with your current branding. Okay, so before we get into the step-by-step on how to upload the cover photo, it's important to keep in mind the guidelines Facebook has put in place for what cannot be on the cover photo. So we're going to go over to Facebook's Help Center where they've outlined for us the rules and regulations for the cover photo. So let's get into the dimensions first. It needs to be at least 399 pixels wide. That's the minimum. Okay, they prefer a JPEG file format. And the maximum dimensions are 851 pixels wide by 315 pixels tall, and preferably less than 100 kilobytes in file size. Okay, 4 guidelines that they gave us as well, some restrictions on what are not allowed to be on your cover photo. First is price and purchase information, so anything with some sort of a discounted offer or a download from your website. If you have ebooks or white papers, brochures, you can't have the verbiage of download in your on your cover photo. Contact information, you do have an about section for your Facebook page, so that's where you're going to put your links back to your website, email address, physical address, hours of operations, those types of elements. You do have the opportunity to put that in the about section, so don't worry about putting that on your cover photo. Anything referencing the user elements, user interface elements of Facebook, so things like and share are prohibited to be on your cover photo. Also sales jargon like get it now, tell your friends, any type of blatant calls to action are not allowed to be on your cover photo. There are places to put your calls to action, so download, join our mailing list, those types of things. And I will go through those with you in another video and blog, so stay tuned for that. And don't worry too much about having that in your cover photo, okay, because there are other areas. So for now, we're just going to start adding the cover photo. Like I said, we have a blank canvas to work with. Up in your upper right-hand corner, you're going to find the button Add a Cover. Okay, so you click on that. You have 2 options. One, you can choose from photos, or you can upload your photo. So choose from photos would be if you already have an established Facebook page where you have uploaded an album, where you already have photos on there. You can choose one of those as long as it fits within the right dimensions. Since we don't have that, you can also, if you want to make a custom one that you've made like we have, you can upload a photo from your computer. So we've made one in Photoshop, and then I converted it to the JPEG that's less than 100 kilobytes. So I choose it, and I click Open. Okay, so now it's on there, and you can see that Facebook gives you the option to drag and reposition your cover. Okay, so like I said, mine is actually 851 by 315, so there's no room for repositioning for mine, but if yours is less than that, Facebook will give you the option to reposition it. Okay, so since I like mine, I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. And now I have my cover photo published to my Facebook page. It goes along with the branding of Reciprio.com, so there is no promotional jargon on here. So it fits within the guidelines, and they make it very simple for you to upload it as long as you just follow what they say. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful, and please remember to go to Reciprio.com and submit your Facebook page so that people can easily and effectively find and like your Facebook page. Also, please stay tuned for our next Facebook marketing video. Since I do have a blank canvas here, we're going to start going into how to upload your logo, the dimensions for that, along with some other cool tricks for the About Us and your apps down here. Okay, so until next time, thank you for joining us, and I hope that you have enjoyed this marketing tip.